This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a notebook that invites consistency. A5 works well and grid helps alignment. Once chosen, set clear, short goals, 10 to 15 minutes daily, focus on recitation, vocabulary, and reflection. Make sure to gather tools, a pen, highlighters, sticky tabs, and a concise tajweed summary and translation nearby. Start with one verse tonight, copy it, then write a single observation. This first action creates momentum and converts intention into a repeatable habit. Once done with your initial entry, structure each page. Write the verse, add translation, note vocabulary, and short reflection. You should adopt simple symbols, star for insights, question mark for follow-ups, so review is fast. Make a habit chain. Attach journaling to an existing ritual like after prayer or morning tea. Every week, spend 5 to 10 minutes reviewing marked items and circling recurring themes. This creates deepening rather than scattered notes. If a verse needs more tajweed, flag it for a focused session. To complete each month, compile a brief summary, 3 lessons learned and 3 action points for the next month. This turns notes into direction. Make sure to photograph pages weekly and store them in a dated digital folder for backup and searchability. If you stall, reduce the session to 5 minutes or switch the trigger, journaling after a different prayer, for example, so you restart without pressure. Keep one troubleshooting rule: when overwhelmed, simplify entries to 1 sentence and 1 question to pursue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.